Okay, solving rational equations. And rationals is a technical word for fraction. And rational equations typically have x's in the denominator. One of the first things we want to do is get rid of all denominators, not just the x's out of the denominators, but any denominator, and then we can solve from there. So it's necessary to find the least common denominator. So we're going to write this a second time to preserve the integrity of the original problem. And then we're going to find out what is the LCD, the least common denominator. I'm going to put this around here. And we'll put the LCD in front. And we'll distribute it across the entire equation. Okay, so we have a 3, 2, and a 4. 3, 2, and 4 timetables. What's the first number they have in common? The lowest number they have in common. And that would be a 6. No, I'm sorry, it would be a 12. 12 is in the 3 timetables and 4 timetables, 2 timetables and 4 timetables. So 12 is part of the least common. The highest power of x's here is a first power x. So that's also part of the LCD. So first you look at your numbers and you find out what's the least common multiple in each of the timetables. And then we find the highest power of x, and that creates our LCD. Now let's distribute this LCD here, here, and there. So 12x divided by 3x is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 12x divided by 2x is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 12x divided by 4 is 3x. 3x times 1 is 3x. And now from here we can go ahead and solve for x. 8 plus 6, that's 14, equals 3x. And then we divide both sides by 3. And the 3's cancel, and we have that x is 14 over 3. Okay. Number 2. Take a look at this. Okay, we're going to preserve the integrity of the original problem. So we're writing the second time. And then we'll put a parenthesis right here for distributive purposes. We have a 3, 2, and a 4. When you look at the timetables for 3, 2, and 4, they all have in common 12. Let me actually write this down so you guys can see the timetables. 3, 6, 9, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 4, 8, 12. And there's your least common multiple. So your least common will be 12. Now, the highest powers of x's will be x here. So we'll put that there. All right, I'll erase this. This doesn't need to be written down, just for observation purposes of making sure you guys know where I'm getting the 12 from. Okay, now let's distribute here, here, there. 12x divided by 3 is 4x. 4x times 2 is 8x. 12x divided by 2 is 6x. 6x times 1 is 6x. Plus 12x divided by 4x is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Now we'll add our 8x and our 6x together because it's 14x equals 3. Now divide by 14 on both sides. The 14's cancel. We get x equals 3 over 14. All right, let's take a look at number 3. 2 over 5x plus 5 over 2 equals 2 over 3. I'm sorry, right, wrong one. 3 over 10x is minus 6 over 5. Therefore, 2 over 9 plus 1 over 6x equals 2/3 minus 5 over 2x. Okay. First, let's preserve the integrity of the original problem. And we'll see right here. And we have a 5, 2, 10, and a 5. The 5 time tables will be 5, 10, 15, 20. 2 time tables will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 time tables will be 10, 20, 30. 5 time tables, of course, are 10, 15, 20. And what do they all have in common? So your LCD will include 10. I'll erase these right here. Okay. So, and the highest power of x is right here. This is x. So we're going to distribute this 10x. (10x) divided by 5x is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 10x divided by 2 is 5x. 5x times 5 is 25x. 10x divided by 10x is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Then minus 1. 10x divided by 5 is 2x. 2x times 6 is 12x. Okay. So we have x's on the left side and x's on the right. Since I have positive x's on the left side, I want to solve to the left. So I'll get rid of those on the right. So I'm going to add 12x here, and then add 12x here. This gives me 4 equals, add these two, plus 37 x's equals 3. Those cancel. Then I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. This gives me 37x equals -1. Then we'll divide by 37 on both sides. 37's cancel. We'll get x equals -1 over 37. Number 4. We're going to repeat the problem here, preserving the integrity of the original problem. Okay. Now add the parentheses here. And for the 9, 6, 3s, and 2s, those timetables, let's look at 9, let's see, 9, and it's 18, 6, 12, 18, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and it's 18. Okay, so the LCD for these numbers will be 18. And the highest power of x that can be found is x. Okay, so we have 18x. Okay. Let's distribute here, here, here. 18x divided by 9 is 2x. 2x times 2 is 4x. 18x divided by 6x is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 18x divided by 3 is 6x. 6x times 2 is 12x. Minus 18x divided by 2x is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. Okay. We have x's on the left and the right. Since we have more x's on the right side, I'm going to choose for this to be a right side problem. So we're going to get rid of the x's on the left here. So minus 4x minus 4x gives us 3 equals 8x minus 45. Now from here, I want to get rid of the subtracting 45 and the multiplying 8. So get rid of the subtracting 45 and then add 45 on both sides. And we end up with 48 equals 8x. Here we're going to divide both sides by 8. The 8's cancel, we get x equals 48 over 8. Now, I can simplify this by dividing these both by divide these both by 8. Yeah, 8 goes evenly into 48 6 times. 6 equals x. So this came out nicely. It simplifies very well. Number 5. We're going to repeat this problem here, preserving the integrity of the original problem. And then we're going to look for the LCD. So we'll put this here. 3, 6, 2, and 3. So 3, we have 3, 6, 9. 6, we have 6, 12, 18. 2, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So one more time. So 12 here. And here, same thing here. That's a 3 there. So the common would be a 12. And the highest power of x is x. Okay. All right, let's erase this. Okay. Distributing the 12x. 12x divided by 3x is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Minus sign. 12x divided by 6x is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 12x divided by 2 is 6x. 6x times 5 is 30x. Minus 12x divided by 3 is 4x. 4x times 1 is 4x. Now I have like terms here and there. So I'm going to combine these like terms. 16 and 2 gives me 14. I'll combine these like terms right here. That'll give me 26x. Now I can divide both sides by 26. And with 14 over 26. Now I can simplify this if I divide both by 2. This will give me 7 in the numerator and 13 in the denominator. That's it.